Alright guys, we've got the bird of time here. I already weighed it out. It looks really good. And we're gonna fly. Taking off! That tail's working out really well. Awesome. I'm going to leave the camera rolling as I'm flying. There we go. I wish that the camera would show what I'm doing, but flying really nicely. I'm so happy with it now, guys. It's flying so well that I can put inputs. I had one input that I had to put in, and it's I mean, I can just really just look at that. Just very slowly make a turn, and it's perfectly balanced. Flying pretty straight. I'm so happy with it. Sometimes it wants to pitch up when it goes full blast. There's a little bit of lift. So yeah, that tail really works really well. Plane's super balanced, and it's just can't be any happier than that. Bottle Man Frank out.